Here we have a bunch of Carrier units and an Aaon unit. You see right here it says Aaon. Well, there's a data panel on this thing. It's definitely a split system unit. Oh, I was looking right at it earlier. The model number is CC100267. No, that's model number. Serial number is 200808-CHCE00284. And let's see, is there a data manufacturer on this? No, it's probably in the serial. On Carrier number 1, the model number is 3108E12046. And this unit is a heat pump. Well, that's a serial number, and I need to read the model number on this. The model number is 25HBS348A3000. Here's Carrier number 2. It's also a heat pump, and its model number is 3108E19017. Model number is 25HBS336A300. That means that these are both 2008s. Kind of surprising because these look rather new. This one's Carrier number 3. It's also a heat pump. And its model number is 4508E18191. Model number is 25HBS360A310. Carrier number 4 heat pump. I'm also going to send Carrier number 5, which is over here, is also a heat pump along with the Carrier split system right down there. This one's model number. This one's serial number is 4508E18195. Model number is 25HBS360A310. Yep, Carrier number 5 is a heat pump. Its serial number is 4508E18187. Model number is 25HBS360A31. And now for the Carrier split system, which I'm going to assume is a heat pump. Let's see if I can get a good look inside it real quickly. No, I can't really get too good of a look inside it, but its model number is 38AKSO24-510-. Serial number is 2296F09867. So that means this is a 1996 Carrier split system unit. And I think that the Aaon was made in 2008 based on the serial number. So yeah, a 1996 Carrier split system. Come on, focus. Yeah, 1996 Carrier split system. 5 Carrier heat 2008 Carrier heat pumps, and what I believe is a 2008 Aaon commercial unit, and they're all off. Over, and hang on, let me get to the spot where you can see just about every unit. So yeah, over and out.